Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly intriguing for you. Get ready to dive into the world of center tables, which are also known as coffee tables. Center tables are typically large, low tables placed in the center of a living room or seating area. They are used to provide a focal point for the room and to anchor the seating arrangement. Center tables can serve both functional and aesthetic purposes in a space. If you wonder why center tables are important and why we need them, let us tell you 5 facts about them. 1. Functionality. Center tables provide a convenient surface for placing drinks, snacks, books, magazines, and other items within easy reach of people sitting on the surrounding furniture. 2. Aesthetics. Center tables can enhance the overall look and feel of a room by adding style, color, and texture. They can also help tie together the various elements of a room's decor. 3. Balance. A well-chosen center table can help create visual balance in a room by complementing the size and scale of other furniture pieces. 4. Conversation area. Placing a center table in the middle of a seating arrangement can create a natural gathering spot for conversations and social interactions. 5. Versatility. Center tables come in various shapes, sizes, and styles, making them versatile pieces of furniture that can be customized to suit different design preferences and room layouts. Overall, center tables are essential in creating a functional and visually appealing living space. Are you enjoying our content? We post videos on furniture, decor, and craft ideas on daily basis. If you are interested in this topic and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational and useful ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Center tables have long been a staple in living rooms and drawing rooms, serving as both a functional and decorative element that ties a space together. These versatile pieces of furniture have been around for centuries, evolving in style and purpose to suit the changing demands of interior design. From the ornate, carved center tables of the Victorian era to the sleek, minimalist designs of today, the center table has remained a beloved and essential piece of furniture that can transform the entire aesthetic of a room. The center table can trace its origins back to the 16th century, when it was primarily used in the grand homes and palaces of the aristocracy. These early center tables were often made of heavy, ornate materials such as wood, marble, or even precious metals, and were designed to serve as a focal point in the room, showcasing the wealth and status of the owners. As the centuries progressed, the center table continued to evolve, reflecting the changing styles and design sensibilities of each era. In the 18th century, the center table became more streamlined and elegant, with delicate, carved legs and intricate inlays or marquetry work. The Chippendale and Sheraton styles, for example, featured center tables with beautifully crafted cabriole legs and graceful, curved aprons. The Victorian era, with its love of opulence and grandeur, saw the center table reach new heights of ornate decoration. These tables were often made of dark, heavily carved wood, such as mahogany or walnut, and were adorned with intricate designs, such as scrolls, leaves, or floral motifs. The center table was not only a functional piece of furniture but also a canvas for the showcasing of skilled craftsmanship and artistic expression. As the 20th century dawned, the center table began to evolve once again, reflecting the changing design philosophies of the modern era. The Art Deco movement, for instance, brought a sleek, geometric aesthetic to the center table, with clean lines, bold shapes, and the use of materials like chrome, glass, and lacquered wood. The mid-century modern era, with its emphasis on simplicity, functionality, and a seamless integration of form and function, also left its mark on the center table. Designers created center tables that were characterized by their minimalist, sculptural forms and the use of innovative materials like plywood, glass, and stainless steel. Today, the center table continues to be a beloved and versatile piece of furniture, with designers drawing inspiration from a wide range of historical styles and contemporary trends to create pieces that are both functional and visually stunning. The functional and decorative roles of the center table. The center table serves a multitude of functions in a living space, making it an essential piece of furniture for any well-designed room. From its primary role as a surface for displaying and arranging decor, to its use as a spot for setting down drinks or resting books and magazines, the center table is a vital component of the living room or drawing room. One of the key functions of the center table is its ability to anchor and define the seating area in a living room. By positioning the table at the center of the space, it creates a natural gathering point for conversation, entertaining, and relaxation. The table can also be used to balance the visual weight of the room, serving as a counterpoint to the sofa and armchairs that surround it. In addition to its functional role, the center table also serves as a vital decorative element, allowing homeowners to showcase their personal style and aesthetic preferences. The table can be adorned with a variety of decorative items, such as vases, candles, sculptures, or books, creating a visually appealing and cohesive look that ties the entire room together. The choice of material for the center table can also have a significant impact on the overall aesthetic of the space. For example, a solid wood center table can bring a warm, natural feel to a room, while a glass or metal table can lend a more modern, sleek, and minimalist vibe. The shape and proportions of the table also play a crucial role, with round, square, or rectangular designs each offering their own unique visual appeal and functionality. Regardless of the specific trends and designs that come and go, one thing remains certain: the center table will continue to be a beloved and essential piece of furniture, serving as a focal point and a functional centerpiece in living rooms and drawing rooms around the world. Its enduring appeal is a testament to the timeless elegance and versatility of this iconic piece of furniture. And there you have it, folks. The fascinating facts about center tables that you probably didn't know. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of center tables. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Share it to family and friends who you think might benefit from this content. Thank you for watching until the end. We will see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.